These are large. I'm going to pull this up just to show you what I'm dealing with here. Oh. That's the root system. Now this seed is essentially the size of a grain of sand is what we're planting. Now what we have here is we have the main trunk, and then what it looks like we have offshoots off of that main root. This is a tremendous celery plant here, 18 inches tall, almost 20 inches. Now what we can do here is I'm going to saw this off at the roots, and there we go. Now these are not the type of celery that you're going to buy at the grocery store. So it's got more of an intense flavor. They do have some deep ribs there. There's some bad. There's one here, leaf that's no good, but this has got some good structure. Again, you want to harvest this right before the weather really turns off nasty. Like if tomorrow's going to be a snowstorm and your temperatures have been mild up to that point, that's when you want to harvest it. You don't want to let it set, my recommendations, past that snowstorm, because you're not going to have much celery.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.